Today's cryptic crossword clue is remains hopeful heading into rough seas. And I want to talk about anagrams and anagram indicators for a moment because there is one in this clue with rough seas. And I'll explain it in a moment, but I've realized that kind of subconsciously a lot of the time with wordplay in general, but particularly with anagrams, I imagine the words as blocks, wooden blocks with letters on them, that kind of classic early childhood toy. And then anything that the wordplay tells me to do with those blocks, I kind of just mentally, subconsciously do. And I think that explains a lot of why words that represent movement or destruction can be anagram indicators. We had a few weeks ago swimming as an anagram indicator, and some people didn't quite like that, and I kind of get that. But to me, if you put a bunch of those blocks in the word order in water and have them swim around, they will change order, they will move, they will anagram. And here, with more of a destructive word like rough, if we take those blocks and you imagine a toddler kind of coming along and being rough with them and smashing them or something like that, they will anagram, whether you want them to or not. Unintentionally with the toddler, they will find themselves in a different order than they started. And that's kind of what we're doing here. If we're rough with the blocks that form C's, we'll find those letters in a different order. We will anagram them. And if we do that here, we will have 4 letters for our 5-letter answer. We need 1 more letter. And we'll get it with hopeful heading into. And the idea here is that we take the heading of hopeful, the heading letter, the first letter, and H, and that will go into our anagrammed C's. And if we do that, we can get the word ashes, which is a way that some people refer to the remains of their loved ones.